Hi, this is Jignesh Rani. I am a teacher, and today I want to tell you something about the NLP program. NLP means Neuro Linguistic Programming. This program is based on the person's mind, mindset, thinking process, and so many things. And it is really very useful to each and every person. I learned so many things about the thought awareness, about law of attraction, about the Pygmalion process, about the meditation, and so very much useful strategies and techniques to live a life meaningful. So this is a very useful program, and I recommend all, if all of you have the time, then please do join this training and this program, because we all know that during this lockdown period we spent our time in so much social media, watching the TV, or so many other things. But this is a very useful things. If we spend time for this kind of trainings, this kind of program, then it will be useful to us, to our family and our children also. So please do join this, and it is a very great thing. Thank you, sir. Thanks, Mr. Prakash Detroja, sir.